Salam and hello everyone. Shortly, I will be explaining something about natural and human connections. So, I do apologize. I'm gonna start with English for my English speakers. So, the reality of natural and humans, for those two people, they are under the stress of reality of depressions, or if they want to enjoy and if they want to know what does life means, sometime you should become a natural place, environment to find yourself, and you can meet what's going on, to see the purify of and beauty of nature. So please follow my channels